so much going on this morning. A lot of traffic to catch up on. We've got storms moving in later today here in North Texas.
Whoa.
And Jason Whitley has made his decision. So command from KRLD.
Hey guys, it's Shelby Rose from Texas. My family and I want to thank all of you for your patronage.
Hey Shelby, what you doing? Wow.
Oh hey Dad, just putting together a little thank you for all our customers.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
What side?
You hit my fucking mirror. You hit my fucking...
Witness that. Huh.
How is it like a shot? This is the owner of the Nigerian's restaurant's son. Yeah, my parents are finally officially open, so going to be here now. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Everybody like I'm from... Oh! Okay, presto. This guy's going to fucking run. Guy driving like a dick, waved a guy in front of him, and then bam, smashed into him.
Asshole! What the fuck was that? Slow your ass down! You fucking idiot! You come flying on the fucking coils, fucking hit me! The fuck's wrong with you? Jesus Christ! Then slow the fuck down! Fucking shit!
What the fuck are you doing? You need, when I honk at you, I mean stop. I don't fucking care. Get the fuck out of my way. Get the fuck out of my way, bitch.
Fucking faggot.
Put your phone down.
Fuck you.
You almost hit me.
Here, take my fucking phone.
You almost fucking hit me, dude.
Take my fucking phone.
Why are you acting like a child?
I'm in the mood to kick somebody's fucking ass today. So if it's gonna be you, let's go.
Grow up, dude.
Here.
Grow up.
Here.
Okay, that was kind of unnecessary, sir. Yeah, that was kind of unnecessary.
Why are you riding my ass, huh? Let me ask you something. You think that's cool? You think it's so cool to ride a biker's ass? You can kill me. Do you want to fucking kill me? Huh? Well, go fuck yourself then, dickhead. Fuck you. That's right, motherfucker. Oh, you're lucky I'm gonna give my girlfriend food. Otherwise I'd fucking smash the shit out of your mirror, you little bitch. Oh, yeah? You? This. You're gonna be all over the internet, motherfucker. Yeah, get a better car, you piece of shit. Fucking V6 Mustang. Faggot.
Why not, little turkey?
Hey, you ever seen that guy who got 24? That guy who got 24.
Whoa, what was that?
What?
What did he do? No, we're
No,
gonna
no,
stop
I'm
with it.
talking to him.
Please don't.
No, I'm talking
Please
to him.
don't.
I'm just gonna ask him why were you so close?
No, please don't.
No.
I don't want to get shot.
Hey, you know how close you were to me? Bro, you were like less than a foot away from me. Did you see yourself? I had you on camera, man. No, dude, that's unsafe, bro. No, it's not okay. You're endangered everybody here, including yourself. This isn't a freeway, bro. This is a regular old lane. Hey, learn how to drive safely, man.
Get back in the car. Get back in the car. Cut me off again, motherfucker.
Typical white person? Look at you, pasty ass. Your thinning hairline, your fucking wide gap in the front of your teeth, and your fake diamonds in your ears. Yeah. He agrees with me. He agreed with me. Yeah, cubic zirconium, really impressed. 2 pieces of glass stuck in your face. All about that shit. Tell your woman to use that mouth for sucking dicks. Yeah. Yeah, you gonna play that game? We'll play that fucking game.
Don't worry, I got you on camera.
Stupid bitch.
Fuck you, you fucking racist piece of shit.
Racist piece of shit.
Get the fuck out of here.
That's what we deal with every day, all the day.
Unbelievable, man.
You do what he wants or go back to your country. Small. This is my country, bro. This
Back
is my
to your
country.
fucking country.
This is my country, bro.
Man.
What?
Oh, really? You're gonna do something to me?
Oh.
Yo, man, chill out. You
Hey,
gotta
pull the
chill
car.
out.
Why did you do that?
Because you're fucking guys taking
Why
his
did you do
phone
that?
now.
Yeah, don't worry, I got your license plate too.
Yeah, get a license plate. Get a license plate. We're gonna
Yeah.
stop there. We're gonna stop there, sir. Is it okay?
Yeah, of course.
No, go. Don't even no, go around. Oh my God. No, go around. No, fuck you, fucking asshole. Are you fucking kidding me? Go, you're fucking. Where am I gonna go? I can't go anywhere forward. Nice job, buddy. Nice job. Nice job. Nice job. Fucking idiot. I can't go anywhere. He's fucking... I know.
Asshole!